Imagine this, a cosmic collision on a galactic scale, where two massive galaxies merge into one. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's a real event that's on a collision course with our future. Despite the universe expanding, the Andromeda Galaxy is racing towards our Milky Way at breakneck speed. How is that possible? Stay tuned, because in the next 3 minutes, we're unraveling this cosmic mystery. Welcome back to the channel. If you're fascinated by space and the mysteries of our universe, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all cosmic things. First, let's talk about the expanding universe. Since the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding. This means that, on a large scale, galaxies are moving away from each other. Think of it like raisins in a baking loaf of bread. As the bread rises, the raisins move apart. A key piece of evidence for this expansion is the redshift of light from distant galaxies. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it seems to be moving away from us. This discovery was made by Edwin Hubble and is a cornerstone of modern cosmology. But if everything is moving apart, why is Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor, heading straight for us at about 110 kilometers per second? The answer lies in the forces at play on a local scale. While the universe as a whole is expanding, gravity is still the dominant force on smaller scales. The Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies are part of a group of galaxies known as the local group. Within this group, gravitational forces are strong enough to overcome the overall expansion of the universe. Galaxies in clusters or groups can have complex interactions due to gravity. These interactions can lead to galaxies orbiting each other, merging, or in the case of the Milky Way and Andromeda, heading towards a collision. Our local group is dominated by the Milky Way and Andromeda, with smaller galaxies orbiting around them. The gravitational attraction between our two giant galaxies is so strong that it's pulling us together despite the cosmic expansion. So, what will happen when these two galaxies collide? Don't worry, it's not happening tomorrow. The collision is predicted to occur in about 4.5 billion years. When it happens, the two galaxies will merge to form a new galaxy, often dubbed Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. During this process, individual stars are unlikely to collide due to the vast distances between them. However, the gravitational forces will drastically alter the structure of both galaxies, creating a new, larger galaxy. This collision will also trigger new waves of star formation as gas clouds compress and ignite. The night sky will look very different from what we see today, with a new array of stars and nebulae. So, to recap, while the universe is expanding, local gravitational forces can dominate and bring galaxies like the Milky Way and Andromeda together. It's a beautiful example of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmos. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space content. Until next time, keep looking up.